want to get that vessel go wide.
Don't you? Yeah, Dale, he's having trouble.
Yeah, you're still going there, so you want to try what happened?
Shit, he's fucking... What the hell?
Yeah, you're going to struggle, can't get my way, signal to get out wide.
Try and get in the middle over there. Try and bring it over to there.
Safety knock him. Go ahead, knock him.
There's too much water in it.
Yeah, knock him, he's really struggling. Get on that next side.
Will you rope you? We're gonna fucking get it now.
Top?
Yeah.
Jump off you.
Get this on. It's full of water, you're sinking. Get a rope on him. Bob, you hang. You hang.
Bobby.
Bob, get a rope on it.
Bobby, listen.
He's fucking mad, isn't he?
Go, safety.
Yeah, Dale, go ahead.
Can you attend to the rider off the chicane and stop Bobby Pisley again? Everything's okay.
You out?
I'm too stuck.
Resign your foot. Yeah, Dale, it's Gareth.
Go ahead, Gareth.
Yeah, number 44, he's retiring.
Well, the skis alright?
Roger that. Is he heading back in under his own team?
You going back in on your own?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll keep tight to the wall and go back in.
Roger that. Same as last time for him, please.
Same as last time. Natty, that'll teach you! Fucking lovely. Hey, I'll shield you from them lot.